Hi guys, today we have a lovely 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom Clasico Style Villa here on Sector D. So let's go in and check it out. So as you can see, it's all newly tiled and painted. Key ready, this property is key ready. It's a lovely little property, this. I'll just shut the gate behind me and I'll come over here to give you a little view of the terrace there, and you have that gate there and the wall is raised, so if you had a little moped or something you could bring it in here and it'd be quite safe. Okay, so you've got about 4 or 5 steps up onto the terrace. There's a little lovely terrace here. It is open and you could sit here and just watch the world go by. Have a glass of wine or a cup of tea and read your newspaper. Really peaceful. So this is the property. You have nice Spanish tiles all around the doors and the windows. And you have a dusk to dawn light above. So let me take you inside. Nice modern door here. So I've just come inside and as you can see it's quite a spacious room in here. I'll go over here and we'll just pan around for you so you can get a feel for the room here. So you have got aircon and you've got a ceiling light and fan in here as well. Plenty of sockets around the room. So I'm going through the archway and we're going to check out the guest room first. So in here you have a ceiling light and fan as well. Blackout blinds, insect screens and wreckers on the windows. You have a wall heater over there which is electric. This room has 2 single beds in it. It will take a double bed. Just do this room at a different angle, so you've got overhead storage and double wardrobes in here as well. Okay, so good size double bedroom as a second bedroom. So just come out here and into the bathroom, and the bathroom is fully tiled from ceiling to floor. You have a semi-frosted shower screen there, and you have got a nice good sized bath, sink and pedestal and your WC. Just over there where that little rag is, used to be a bidet. A lot of people take them out. So I'll just give you a feel for the room here. Nice frosted glass. Yeah, and you have your shaving socket and that behind the door. Just above the door, of course, you have got a heater. Not that it gets very chilly over here, because it doesn't. So in here is the master bedroom. Pan around for you. You have overhead storage and double wardrobes there. Just up the wall there, you have your telephone sockets and your TV points. And if I pan around over here, you can see you have aircon and you have a wall heater as well. On either side of the bed, you've got switches and sockets. And on the windows, you've got blackout blinds, insect screens and wreckers. So a good sized double bedroom. So I'm going to take you back through and we're going to walk through the living space, which I absolutely love, and then we're going into the kitchen. So the kitchen has plenty of top and base units. You've got integrated gas hob and electric oven. You've got your sink and drainer there. If I just pan around, you can see more top units and base units. Just behind the door here you have got your washing machine. Okay. Just out here, of course, is your terrace. I'm going to take you out onto the terrace now. You have your gas boiler just here, and your gas boiler there is for your gas hob and your heating for your shower. So your shower would be immediate heating. So you've got plenty of room there. You could repaint all this, and you could have that false grass if you want some rattan furniture, and then make it very nice for yourself. Okay. You also have a water point over there on the wall, and I'm always mentioning water points because you can see it gets quite dusty from the rain here, and that's to shower down or wash down your terrace. So I'm going to take you upstairs now, and we look upstairs at the rooftop solarium. So come with me, guys. So up here you have storage. You have another square bit over there that is hollow. You could hollow out a door, put another door in there, and it gives you loads and loads of space. I'll just show you inside now. You'd be quite surprised at the amount of space it has in there for cushions, and you've got a plug socket there if you need it for anything. You've also got a working light here in the evening, and you've got a nice big terrace here, really nice, and it has those bricks for privacy as well. You could put your hot tub over there and some lounges. It's a really good size. Rooftop solarium or rooftop garden, whichever you want. So let me take you back downstairs again. So I'm going back downstairs again, and once they're painted they look really nice, these properties. So just above the bathroom window there you have got a dawn to dusk light. Taking you back through. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and do check our website out. So until the next time, guys, I'll see you again, hopefully, when you pop in to see us. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.